Up for sale, 1971 C10 short bed. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 C10 short bed, finished in black with black interior. Absolutely beautiful truck. 396 turbo 400 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear, factory tach, and as always, go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course we will start here in the front. And first off, it's absolutely beautiful paint again. I mean, black done right is just such a sweet color. So of course paint is relatively recent. New trim, grill, all this is new. The body side trim is new. Emblems are new. I love the wood grain style that they chose for it. And just a great look with the Craigers and the white walls on there. And of course, a nice stance. Really just a good looking truck. The bumperettes on the front as well. Those are super cool. Chrome bumper is not new, but it's nice condition. Looks great. I've also never seen one of these. I mean, I'm not going out of my way looking for them, but it just kind of has a unique look. The black complements the black paint. You see some marks down here on the bumper. Fitment of the hood is super nice. You see two little touch-ups there on that edge. This looks sweet. And a little mark right there on that edge. But this alignment is nice. And the top of the car, I mean, you see it here. This is superb. Anyway, let me go ahead and pop the hood. Let's see how easy this opens. 396. Power front disc brakes. Power steering is down there. It was an AC truck, which is cool. And these are painted beautifully on both sides. Recent battery. Clean. Edelbrock EVS2 carburetor on there. Excuse me. Stock exhaust manifolds, but it's got a nice exhaust as well. Underhood is nice. Smooth running, fires right up. Yeah, so we'll move on this side. Again, like I mentioned, new wood grain trim. New side trim as well. And look at the finish all the way down to the bottom. I gotta take a picture of that. Nice fitment as well. And it's original short bed, one, because this is original in here. Two, from underneath, looking at the outsides, it's all original, no cuts to the frame, so that's, you want a real short bed, of course. Super, super nice. This is new. Nice finish all the way around. And on top. Back window looks to have been replaced. Like, this trim looks very nice. Nice weather stripping there. A little haze here in the windshield, but nice. No cracks in it, stuff like that. No. Anyway, open it up. Looks good. You see a couple little, marks here on this door panel. They're a little fragile, of course. Under door looks nice. It's missing the vent here, but ignore that. But the paint here looks very nice. Trim is nice, carpet's nice. Bench seat is super nice as well. I like that little discolored look here for the black. Zoom out. Factory steering wheel. Tach, like I said. Factory gauges. Different radio. Dash pad looks to be pretty recent, no cracks in that. And again, light works there. Paint is nice up there. Oftentimes they skimp out on that because it's above you and difficult. Looks like a newer gas tank, I would say, by glancing at it. Doors, as always, Got to slam them with some authority. Let me show you this. Yeah. Give me a second, I want to refocus. There we go. Very nice. You see a couple little white marks right there. And again, this trim is new. These lights are new. This panel here is new. This is new. Bumper's not as well. Reminds me of the front. Excuse me, just a little bit. Little marks there, stuff like that. Whatnot on top. Nice chrome dual exhaust tips. Tow hitch. You know, you could pop that off if you don't want it. Excuse me. Outside of the beds. Bed walls. Nice, clean. Showed you that. Of course, this goes up and down, as you would expect. Once again, with some authority. I'm a big fan of the alignment here and the fitment all the way around the truck. Bed fits nice to the cab, doors fit nicely, fender fits nicely. You know, trucks were always used for work. And so again, what happens to, work trucks, they get used and abused, so oftentimes, sheet metal is replaced. It's nice to see the original bed, of course. I've had a truck a few years ago with new metal, stuff like that. It kind of is exactly what you would expect that one to be, misshapen, but this one's not. This door panel is a lot nicer than the other one. Under door is solid as well. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. eBay first, of course. And yeah, once again with some authority. 71 Chevy pickup, C10 short bed, finished in black interior, 396. Turbo 400, automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear. Finished in black. I mean, it's really a sharp truck. So again, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. And yeah, thank you. And here we go. driving.